Hi, this is Danny from Lights2you, and in this video I'll be going through a recent project completed with the latest RGB LED strip lights, Zigbee controllers and receivers for colourful ambient lighting. The customer approached Lights2you with the requirement of just under 150 meters of RGBC LED strip lights for multiple bulkheads and wanted them all to be controlled separately but with only a few remotes. For this project we used the latest RGBC LED strip lights, which allow the customer to use both daylight LEDs or RGB LEDs depending on the lighting they are after. To control all the LED strip lights, we use the latest Zigbee controllers and receivers, which allow the customer to control the strip via remote or wirelessly through a bridge such as the Phillip Hue bridge. The latest Zigbee remotes can have up to 4 zones programmed, allowing us to have one remote per room, multiple zones, and satisfy the customer's requirements. Other components used for this project were aluminium heatsink, LED drivers and repeaters to power all the LED strip lights. The install was able to be completed in 2 full days thanks to Michael and Lachlan from Power Source Electrics. They were able to solder, power and configure all LED strip lights to the customer's requirements. At the end, the customer was very pleased with the results. If you have any LED strip light requirements, please don't hesitate to contact us at lights2you.com.au.